Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. You have understood that the topic of my speech is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. यूं दी हमें आज़ादी कि दुनिया हुई हैरान, ए कायद-ए-आज़म तेरा एहसान है एहसान. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. He was born in Karachi on 25th December. He passed his matriculation at the age of 16. His father sent him England for higher education. He struggled and hard worked for a separate states for Muslims. At last, on 14 August 1947, Pakistan came into being on globe of his great hard work. He died on 11 September 1948. Maybe Allah shower his blessings. Ameen. तेरी दानिश, तेरी हिकमत, तेरी हिम्मत, तेरा ईमान, निजाते अहले हिंदुस्तान, हयाते अहले पाकिस्तान. Thank you.